Hello traders. Today is the 31st of May, last trading day of the week and the month. This month, amazing trade, guys. Most of the traders bank amazing profit. Even today, we had amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you how we analyze the market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit at the same time learning the price action in real time. Okay, so let's talk about if you look at this. Let me put my. You can see here. If you look at this analysis, all of them, this area. Dollar Swiss franc, consider banking some pips. Aussie dollar, consider banking some pips. Pound dollar, consider banking some pips. Kiwi dollar, banking some profit. Dollar yen, banking some profit. We announce all these analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. So let's talk about we're talking about the dollar Swiss franc. So let's talk about the dollar Swiss franc. Let me explain to you how we mentioned. That was a pretty straightforward. As explained, we have this impulsive and explain, look for another pullback here at this level, right? So that's what we did. So and now let me share with you the analysis. This is the analysis we did. If the price gonna break the structure, take a short trade, bank amazing profit. That was a beautiful trade. We have Aussie dollar. Let's talk about the Aussie dollar. Let's talk about the 4-hour chart. This is what we explained to trader this morning. Price develop impulsive and price developing a correction. If you look at here, price broken and give us the confirmation. So we were looking this breakout. Nicely hit to the profit target, bank some profit, and now let me share with you how I analyze the market. You can see here, Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. We have a impulsive correction. Safest way, look for this breakout as mentioned here. Nicely broken, hit to the profit target. As explained, it's time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful trade. Let's talk about the next one is a pound dollar. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, that was a beautiful, as explained to my trader this morning. If you look ahead, the price nicely respected many times. So we were expecting some price action. And if you look at this candle, bullish engulfing candle and price broke on this structure. Beautiful trade, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze an intraday, which is you can see here 10 minutes ago, we mentioned here. Pretty straightforward. Price develop. You can see here price nicely respected. Symmetry triangle pattern based on the momentum. We were looking this breakout, nicely hit and bank amazing profit. So that was an amazing trade, guys. Okay, the second one is let's talk about the Kiwi dollar. Okay, let me take the 4-hour chart. All of the analysis based bias was developed through 4-hour, as you can see here. So we have, if you look at here, price broken, failed to maintain, break, give us the confirmation, long here, impulsive, correction, breakout, nicely hit to the profit target, which we explain our traders time to bank some profit and how I analyze the market. That's the key important thing, right? So if you look at here, mention here, you can see here, Kiwi dollar just mentioned 12 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago to bank some profit. So if you look at here, Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. Price develop impulsive correction. We're looking this breakout. Momentum is bullish. Beautiful breakout. Hit to the profit target. And that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy amazing profit. You can see here. That was a beautiful trade. So right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this analysis review, but I'm pretty sure and you will enjoy and even you will love it when you see all this analysis in real time. So you can develop your knowledge based on the price section. At the same time, you can learn and you can earn. So most welcome. If you want to see all this thing in real time, join our fast growing trader community, guys. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend and have a safe trading and all the best. See you next time.